If you want to insert SIM card into Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to prepare the tool that allows us to pop out of the SIM tray. We can find it inside the box, and then take a look at the bottom of the phone. Over here we have our SIM tray. We have this little hole. Do not mistake it with this one. This is the microphone. Over here on the SIM tray we have this hole, and we need to insert our eject tool into that hole, and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Once it pops out slightly, then we can use our fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And there we go. Now over here we have our SIM card slot. We have the icon, the graphic icon of the SIM card, which tells us how to properly insert the SIM card. So we need to match the shape. Just put it in, make sure that the SIM card is fully in actually, that it doesn't stick out or anything like that. So it is fully in, so now we can insert it back into the phone. There we go. Use your fingers in order to push it in. If it doesn't want to fully go in, then just make sure that the SIM card, once again, is inserted properly. The SIM tray should not be out. It should be fully in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.